we're looking at how we can use technology and encourage sheep and goat farmers to use technology on their farm. The project was 3.5 years. Today is the last seminar, so we've got the 8 countries involved in the project all together in Scotland.
Today's been really fascinating. We've been to a very progressive farm up in Scotland, and we've seen their sheep system where they're doing a lot of recording of things like lambing ease, mothering ability. They're also looking at the pedigree of the sheep as well, and they're using that in their system really well to make management decisions, better breeding programs, and produce better stock suited to their farm.
And we saw a lot of breeding solutions and wonderful innovations here in Scotland. And we are absolutely can't wait to adopt the most relevant ones in our sheep breeding program.
Makes me want to study more and or come back to college and work and go somewhere else and learn the taste of the experience, you know.
It was very interesting because it's very different from us. The weather is different, the land.
We also had the opportunity to go on a tractor tour to see a little bit what the landscape looks like, what other type of livestock they've got.
It's just been informative and very interesting to see how other people do it.
It's inspiring to see technologies and ideas and even the little things that happens around the world for different breeders. I feel really lucky to be a part of this project.
They was very busy days and very nice. It's nice farms, nice sheep. It's nice people, farmers.
This afternoon we're having a workshop, so a more sit-down exercise where we're going to explain what we've done in terms of work during the project. So present how we started with the needs of the farmer, what kind of technological solution we can bring them. We are talking about this technology and why they're interesting, what kind of cost of benefit analysis we've done on this solution and what kind of material we've produced. We've done guidelines to explain in very simple terms how the technology works and how farmers can use them on their farm in their own systems.
I think the project is excellent. I think the idea, the concept behind it, the sharing of information between countries. You can read about projects and you can read about systems and farming, but to actually see it and to study it and see it on the ground, it's very valuable.